Samsung 98-inch Class 4K UHD DU9000 Review. Best 98-inch 4K TV for the ultimate home theater. If you want a massive 98-inch screen without moving into Samsung's most expensive flagship TVs, the DU9000 is one of the more affordable ways to get that home theater experience. But is the huge screen enough to make up for its compromises? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Samsung DU9000 is a 98-inch 4K Crystal UHD LED TV with a 3840 by 2160 resolution and Samsung's Crystal processor 4K. It also includes 4K upscaling and a supersized picture enhancer designed specifically to optimize content for an extremely large display. For movies and everyday viewing, you get HDR and HDR10 plus support, UHD dimming, filmmaker mode, and Samsung's per-color technology. The huge 98-inch panel is obviously the main attraction, especially if you're building a dedicated movie room or want a truly cinematic screen at home. Gaming is also better than you might expect from a value-oriented 98-inch TV. Samsung lists Motion Accelerator 120Hz, VRR, FreeSync Premium, ALLM, and 4K gaming up to 120Hz. All three HDMI ports support high frame rate 4K 120Hz, and there's also EARC for connecting a compatible soundbar or AV receiver. The Tizen Smart TV platform gives you access to streaming apps, Samsung TV Plus, SmartThings features, AirPlay, and other connected device functions. However, this TV has some important limitations. It uses standard LED backlighting with UHD dimming rather than mini LED, so you shouldn't expect the same contrast or HDR impact as Samsung's higher-end Neo QLED models. The built-in audio is also fairly basic, with a 20-watt 2-channel system, so a soundbar or dedicated home theater system makes much more sense for a screen this large. And remember, 98 inches is enormous. The TV is over 2.18 meters wide and weighs more than 50 kilograms without the stand, so installation, wall space, viewing distance, and transportation all need careful planning. Overall, the DU9000 is best for buyers who prioritize screen size and want a big 4K home theater experience with strong gaming connectivity. If picture quality and HDR performance matter more than size, a smaller premium mini LED or OLED TV may be the better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether a 98-inch TV is worth it for your home theater.